This 2012 Jayco J Feather Ultralight X23B is an expandable trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, microwave, water heater, stovetop burner, external shower, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, LP detector, oven, and 28-gal fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2012 Jayco J Feather Ultralight X23B is 3,790 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.